What's going on, guys? I'm here in Bradenton, Florida, doing an estimate for EVChargerFast.com because we don't have an electrician in Bradenton, Florida. And I want to show you some upgrades and features that I recommend that you offer. Now, he is doing a traditional Tesla wall connector, and originally he wanted to put his charger over here, but we had suggested, no, it's better that you put the Tesla wall connector on this wall, and then we could offer a simple wire management of tacking the wire up and leaving it hanging here. But this customer also wants fire suppression. So he has surge suppression, and now he wants fire suppression. Take a quick look at this video I made of behind the scenes of information you get if you are a member of EVChargerFast.com. What's going on, guys? I want to introduce you to a product you should be definitely offering all of your customers. This installs up in the ceiling just like a recessed light. It's self-contained. Obviously, it's serviceable so that you could go back and give them more service. But it's a self-contained fire extinguisher. This is perfect for above an EV, above an EV charger. And, you know, in addition to wire management, surge suppression, and fire suppression, you can certainly add to each of your EV charger installs. Or you can reach out to previous customers and introduce them to this type of product and offer a safe, convenient, clean installation. Okay, so here's the electric panel, and already there's a surge suppressor, which is nice. Now, this customer's a very intelligent customer, and look, he's got a nice square D panel, QO panel, excellent. And we did the load calculation. Now, I'm here because we had an electrician in Bradenton, Florida, but they got a little impatient and they opted out of EVChargerFast.com. A customer called, so I actually came up on my motorcycle. And look, it doesn't matter how you get here. He was kind enough to let me put my motorcycle in his garage while I'm here doing his estimate. Normally, I wouldn't come in person like this, but since I was kind of in the area and we did have an electrician here, I wanted to make sure they get the right service. So let me know what you think of that job. So we don't need a service upgrade. We're going to end up doing a $800 install for the EV charger, and then we're going to be charging them for the fire suppression. I'll get into those numbers with you later, and then a simple wire management, and he'll be covered. He's got surge protection, fire protection, wire management. Hey guys, life is good. It's Garrett Henderson, founder, EVChargerFast.com. And remember, guys, if you join EVChargerFast.com, we're not telling you what to do. You're not joining our company. You're just being part of the network. It's you as the electrical contractor that's supposed to be here on your behalf. You show up with your vans, your equipment, your pricing. We just get you the leads. And based on that little video I showed you, you can see behind the scenes how you'll be treated. We'll see you soon from Bradenton, Florida.